Dear students, let us see some usage of phrases in simple English. Hold back, my dear friend. That means please stop. Don't proceed further. Put in the things in the bag. Please keep the things inside the bag. Move in, my dear friend. Please come inside. Move inside. Look around, my dear friend. See around you. Take it down, take it down the notes, what I say. That means, please, whatever I am telling, make a note of it. Put off the situation from this bad periods. That means, please close. Come about, please come about the news, whatever you are talking. That means, collect some news. Go along with the situation, my dear friend. That means please get along with the people. That is the meaning of it. Look round. That means around you, please see. Sit about the things, whatever you call. That means you keep the things, whatever you are talking about it. You should have the idea. Turn off, my dear friend. Turn off the fan. That means please put it off. Give in whatever you want to give. That means please give it to me. That is the meaning. Move out from this situation, my dear friend. Please get away from this situation. So this way, these are the very good phrases when you are using in the spoken English. Your English talking style will be more attractive. Have a great day. Let us see more videos in this direction.